Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're working in Webflow and you've ever wondered how to get rid of that preloader animation on your site, or maybe you just want to tweak it a bit to better fit your brand, this video is for you. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to edit or completely remove a website preloader in Webflow, and you'll see just how easy it is to customize the first impression your visitors get when they arrive on your page. Let's get right into it. First, let me quickly demo what a preloader actually is, in case you're new to the concept. A preloader is basically that little animation or loading screen that you sometimes see for a couple of seconds before a site fully loads. Think of it like a waiter bringing you bread before your meal. It's there to let visitors know the site is working while all the behind-the-scenes stuff loads up. Sometimes it's a spinning icon, sometimes it's your logo fading in and out. While they can look cool and add a professional touch, sometimes you just want your site to load up immediately, or maybe you want to change the animation to something that suits your style better. To see your preloader in action, let's jump into the Webflow Designer and go into preview mode. You'll find the preview button at the top, and when you click it, you'll see your website as visitors would, including any preloader animation if it's set up. Don't worry if it flashes by quickly, some preloaders are only visible for a second or two. If yours isn't showing, you might want to double check if it's set up on your home page or a different page. This quick look helps you confirm that a preloader is actually present, so you know exactly what you're about to change or remove. Now let's talk about how to delete it. This part is really straightforward, but let's take it step by step so you can follow along easily. You'll head over to the Navigator panel, which is usually on the left side of your screen. The Navigator is sort of like peeling back the layers of your website. It's where you can see all the different sections, div blocks, and elements that make up your page. Look through the Navigator for an element that's named Preloader or something similar. Sometimes it might be inside a div block, so don't worry if you have to open a few folders to find it. Once you spot the Preloader in your Navigator, click on it to select it. Now here's a tip. Before you delete anything, it's always a good idea to double-check that you have the right element selected. You can do this by looking for the corresponding highlight on the canvas. It should outline the preloader animation you saw earlier in preview mode. This helps avoid accidentally deleting something else important on your page. With the preloader selected, right-click on it. You'll see a menu pop up, and from here, just choose Delete. That's it, the preloader is now gone from your site. Don't worry if it takes a second to update, especially on bigger projects. If at any point you want to undo, you can always use Command+Z or Control+Z, just like any other program. Now let's preview the site again just to make sure everything looks the way you want. Hit that preview button one more time, and this time your website should load straight to your content with no preloader animation. If you was hopping to just edit, not remove, the preloader, you can always select it in the Navigator and adjust the animation, colors, or images instead of deleting the entire element. And there you go, that's all it takes to edit or remove a website preloader in Webflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, and if you've got questions or run into any snags, just drop a comment down below. I'm always happy to help out. Make sure to subscribe if you want more practical Webflow tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.